Scissors. Our familiar tool now has a new cutter icon. Here are a few things you can do with it. To mirror the object, make a selection and tap Duplicate. Move the copy to the side and tap Mirror. Then place it to align with the other part for a perfect symmetry and complete the action by tapping Confirm. To move the object on the canvas, make a selection following its outline and simply move it with an Apple Pencil, or use a pinch motion for rotation or scaling for a more precise positioning. Once the placement is final, tap Confirm. To make variations of the object, make a selection and tap Duplicate. Then move the copy and tap Confirm. Repeat to make more copies. Let's use this tube recoloring tool to tap on each object, changing the color for each copy. To hide a part of the illustration, first select it around the edges, then open the Layers menu and switch to a new layer. Now press Confirm. The selected area is now located on the new layer. Hide it to see the illustration without this part. To separate the rendered templates to different layers, first make sure to select the layer with the template. Make a selection of a single view, open the Layers menu, and select a new layer. Tap Confirm to place the selected object on this layer. Return to the previous layer that has only 2 templates left, and repeat the same action with another view to move it to the separate layer. Check it by hiding layers one by one. To delete part of the illustration, make a selection and tap Delete. To multiply the same design, select the layer that contains the required design object. Select it and tap Duplicate. If you want the copies to be on a separate layer, open the Layers menu and select a new layer. Position the copy on the canvas and tap Confirm. You can do the same action staying on the same layer too. Now the selection can include more than one copy and multiply faster. Let's return to the first layer to select a different flower and duplicate it, placing it on a new layer again, having more control on the future edits of parts of the design. You can use a pinch motion to rotate and scale copies of the elements. Resizing and rotating elements. Make a selection of the drawing path which requires a change. Use a pinch motion to scale and adjust the placement and angle of the element. Tap Confirm to finalize the new position of the element.